Hello, I'm in Dollar Tree. I went to different Dollar Tree just stop by, and guess what I found? St. Patrick's Day already. Wow. So I want to show you guys what's new in here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's get in. Look at that beautiful, gorgeous flower. St. Patrick's, 2 for 1. That's cheap, good price. St. Patrick's. That's cool. That's awesome. Oh, look at this beautiful, 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 beautiful. With the gold. Let me try on my neck. Hold on a second. I will show you guys. Come on in. Come on in. Can you look? What do you think? Is it good? Does it stay in? Is it good? I hope it's good. I can't see. Well, I hope it's good, but I will show you one more. And I will show you this one in my neck. What do you think? This is good. Like this. Like this. 2, 3. It is 4 feet tall. It's like feeder. Good. And here is a scarf. I love them. That's cute. I love this one better. I love this shape. What do you think? What you think? You think it's better? I like this one. You gonna go home with me? I don't know. This is cute, but this one better. And look at me here, bottom here. And what is this? Look of the Irish. An Irish with shamrock kisses. That's awesome. Look at this beautiful color. Parents, they did a great job this year. Good job, Dollar Tree. Great job. Ooh, here's the stickers for your windows. Look at that. This is cool. Awesome, awesome. Ooh, look at that. I wish this is real gold. Look at that. See? That's so cute. See, Irish. Look at that. This is gorgeous. And this is a decor for Happy St. Patrick's Day. Look at that. That's cute. How cute is that? I will give you a far shot and closer shot right there. Do you like that one? Ooh, ooh, ooh. Maybe last year, but I haven't seen this one last year. Look at this. So beautiful. Awesome. I'm loving this. Oh, I want to buy a lot of stuff. Ooh, look at this hat. This hat, so cute. Where's the front? Oh, where's the front? Right here. This is the front. Nice. Another decor. Look at that. This beautiful. beautiful forms. Do you know where you use this one? Now only DIY. You have, just leave me your comment below. That would be great. So I'll try something out. Oh, look at that. This is cute. St. Patrick's Day. It's like foam. It's the same thing. Oh, this is cool. Awesome. It's a different shape. Nope. The three, they got all same shape. Oh, look at that. This is three. Here. This is for door hanging or wall. Look at that. And this is the same thing. I was impressed. They already got St. Patrick's stuff. What do you think? Look at that. Lucky and blessed. Awesome. Beautiful. Bling bling shiny. I love it. I love it. Oh, little different. Happy St. Patrick's Day. And the bottom, just gold, no words. Cool. I like this one better actually. And look at that. That would be great. Great. Oh, here's the other. Oh, this is from decor. Look at that. Ooh, look at this. Awesome. And look at this hairband. So gorgeous. It's beautiful. This, look at this trainer. It's stretching. They did a great job. Oh my. For $1, this is awesome. Look at that. And this is the LED light with the same shape. 10 lights. That's good. AA batteries. It's gonna be green. Indoor use only, so just make sure it's indoor use only. And someone take all this button. I missed that. Look at that. This forms 12 pieces. And look at those beautiful tree. I'll show you individual. And can I see you? Ah, okay. So just like this. I grab two. So it's just like 1 for 1. So one is for gold, one's for green, and one is white flower, one is dark green. Can I put it? Can I put it? Yes. And this is the a lot of glitter in my hand. Oh, I didn't know that. And look at that. This is gold with a light green, and this is white with green only. You can see. And this is the same one, just with green, no gold, but it's only green. And look at that. And look at this bow tie. That would be great. That's cute. That's cute. I like that. And this is for Happy Valentine's necklace. There's 2 of them. Valentine's Day. This is cute. Awesome. Oh, here's all the bear band. St. Patrick's Day. This is cute. Awesome. And look at this Irish rainbow. And here's the other design here. This is so cute. This is cute for adult, but again, you never know. I don't see anything in the back. Someone broke this. Oh, that was a broke one. This is broke too. You gotta watch out when you buy stuff. This is not the broke one. There we go. You see? Have a tiara on the side. See that? It's a plastic. Just make sure you know. But it's so cool. And look at that. I love this. So you gotta just make sure someone broke it and just put it back in there. So you gotta make sure next time. And look at that. Cute socks. Oh, so cute. And the hairband, I saw it earlier, was other side, but they put it in here. So that's cool. That is good. And look at this hat. That's cool. That's beautiful. And look at that with lucky clover. That's awesome. You should, if you have a big party plan, just get it right now. It's gone fast because I was just looking around other side and someone just took some items and it's gone now. So you should check it out. And look at that. Full of the lock. Oh, I love these socks. St. Patrick's Day. Look at these socks. This is cozy, but it's not. It's 5 to 9 and have a lot of different design. Happy St. Patrick's Day. St. Patrick's Day. Lucky. That is all for today, and thank you so much for watching my channel. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and watch all the video. And if you have any questions, give me a comment below and let me know what you think. And see you next time. Ciao ciao. Bye bye.